Welcome to another German A1 lesson. In this video, you will learn how to talk about yourself in German. You will learn how to say your name, age, nationality, job, and where you live. These are the most common questions you hear when you meet someone new. We will also show you how to ask others about their basic info and respond correctly. You will see real examples, hear a short dialogue, and get to practice in the end. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. And if you missed our grammar lessons on
der, die, das, ein, eine, kein, keine,
go check those videos in the description. They will really help you understand this lesson better. Are you ready? Let us begin with how to say your name and age in German. Part 1. Saying your name and age in German. Let us start with how to say your name. In German, there are two common ways to do this. You can say,
Ich heiße Anna.
This means my name is Anna. Or you can say,
Ich bin Anna.
That means I am Anna. Both are correct and used often in everyday life. Now let us talk about your age. In German, we do not say I have 25 years. Instead, we say,
Ich bin 25 Jahre alt.
This means, I am 25 years old. Let us look at a short conversation. A woman says,
Hallo, ich heiße Anna.
The man replies.
Ich bin Max.
Then she says,
Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Und du?
He answers.
Ich bin 30 Jahre alt.
Simple, right? So remember,
Ich heiße,
plus your name when you want to say your name.
ich bin,
Plus your name, also if you want to say your name. And if you want to say your age, you will say,
ich bin und Number und Jahre alt.
Try saying your own name and age now in German. Part 2. Saying where you are from and where you live. Now let us learn how to say where you are from and where you live. When someone asks you, Where are you from? You can answer,
Ich komme aus Spanien.
This means, I come from Spain. The word aus means from. You can use it with countries. For example,
Ich komme aus Italien. Ich komme aus der Türkei. Ich komme aus Deutschland.
And what about your current city? To say where you live, you can say,
Ich wohne in Hamburg.
That means, I live in Hamburg. Let us hear a short conversation. The woman says,
Ich komme aus Spanien.
The man replies.
Ich komme aus Italien.
Then she says,
Ich wohne in Hamburg. Und du?
He answers.
Ich wohne in Köln.
Easy and natural, right? So remember,
Ich komme aus.
plus your country equals I come from that country.
Ich wohne in.
Plus your city equals I live in that city. Try saying your country and city now in German. Part 3. Talking about your job or studies. Next, let us talk about your job or what you study. In German, there are 3 easy ways to say this. First, if you want to say your profession, you can use
Ich bin.
For example,
Ich bin Lehrer.
that means I am a teacher. Or,
Ich bin Ärztin.
that means I am a doctor. Second, you can say,
Ich arbeite als.
this means I work as. For example,
Ich arbeite als Ingenieur.
I work as an engineer.
Ich arbeite als Kellnerin.
I work as a waitress. And if you are still studying, you can say,
Ich studiere Biologie.
that means I study biology. Or,
Ich studiere an der Universität.
I study at the university. Let us listen to a short conversation. The man says.
Ich bin Lehrer.
Then he asks.
Und du?
She says.
Ich studiere Biologie an der Uni.
Very common and useful, right? So remember,
Ich bin und Job.
equals I am a,
Ich arbeite als und Job.
equals I work as a,
Ich studiere und Subjekt.
equals I study. Now it is your turn. Try saying what you do in German. Are you working or are you still studying? Part 4. Talking about your address, phone number, and marital status. Now let's learn how to talk about your address, phone number, and marital status in German. 3 very useful topics for everyday conversations and filling out forms. If someone wants your phone number, they will ask,
Wie ist deine Telefonnummer?
this means, what is your phone number? To answer, say your phone number digit by digit.
Meine Nummer ist 0, 1, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
In German, you always say each digit clearly. For example,
0,
in 0
1,
means 1,
2.
means 2, and so on. It helps the listener understand your number perfectly. Now say your own phone number slowly in German. Next, to say where you live, use the phrase,
Ich wohne in der Lindenstraße 12.
this means, I live at Linden Street 12. In German addresses, the street name comes first, followed by the house number. You can replace
Lindenstraße N12.
with your own street and number. Finally, talking about your marital status is easy. If you are single, say,
Ich bin ledig.
if you are married, say,
Ich bin verheiratet.
let's listen to a natural conversation with these phrases. The woman asks,
Wie ist deine Telefonnummer?
the man replies,
Meine Nummer ist 1, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
she asks.
Wo wohnst du?
He answers.
Ich wohne in der Lindenstraße 12.
Then she asks.
Bist du verheiratet?
He says.
Nein, ich bin ledig. Und du?
She replies.
Ich bin verheiratet.
Simple and useful, right? Now it's your turn. Try saying your phone number, address, and marital status in German. Practice out loud and get comfortable with these phrases. Part 5 examples. Let's listen to Anna and Max introducing themselves at university. This is a natural conversation you can use to introduce yourself and get to know others. Now let's watch closely and practice what we have learned in all the parts so far. Try practicing this dialogue with a friend or aloud by yourself.
Hallo, ich heiße Anna. Und du?
Hallo Anna, ich bin Max.
Wie alt bist du?
Ich bin 22 Jahre alt. Und du?
Ich bin 21. Woher kommst du?
Ich komme aus Deutschland. Und du?
Ich komme aus Spanien. Wohnst du hier in der Stadt?
Ja, ich wohne in der Lindenstraße 12. Und du?
Ich wohne in der Berliner Straße 5.
Was studierst du?
Ich studiere Biologie an der Universität. Und du?
Ich bin Maschinenbaustudent.
Hast du eine Telefonnummer?
Ja, meine Nummer ist 0, 1, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Super. Bist du ledig oder verheiratet?
Ich bin ledig. Und du?
Ich bin auch ledig.
Was machst du gern in deiner Freizeit?
Ich spiele gern Tennis und lese Bücher. Und du?
Ich höre gern Musik und treibe Sport.
Wann hast du Geburtstag?
Ich habe am 20. Mai Geburtstag. Und du?
Ich habe am 1. Juli Geburtstag.
Great job following along. Remember, practicing real conversations like this will help you speak German naturally and confidently. Keep reviewing the phrases, and soon these words will feel like second nature. Well done! You've learned how to introduce yourself in German. Your name, age, where you come from, what you do, and even your address and birthday. This is a big step in your German learning journey, but it doesn't stop here. In the next video, we'll practice these phrases in real conversations so you can speak confidently and naturally. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And if you missed any earlier videos, like our grammar or vocabulary lessons, check the links in the description.